ConnectUC is a powerful and flexible application that can be used on mobile, Windows, and Mac OS, allowing you to choose the device that best fits you. Let's dive into how it works. To download the application, begin with typing ConnectUC Download into your Google search bar. Click the first link that appears and choose the operating system that is best for you. Once downloaded and installed, you can use the PBX credentials sent to you by our support team to log into the application for the first time. Please note that the login credentials will be the same for your PC soft phone as well as your mobile phone. However, when logging into the mobile phone, you will be asked to approve several permissions, including microphone, speakers, and contact permissions. The microphone and the speaker permissions are required to use the app effectively. We do recommend syncing your contacts and allowing permissions for that as well, although it is not required. However, you should know that the contacts do not upload to our cloud or sync to our system in any way. The contacts on your mobile phone remain on your device only and are used only to allow you to use the application to call numbers that are currently in your phone book, when you want to call them as your business number. Let's log in. When looking at the application, we'll first draw attention to a few items on the screen. On the top left is your profile, which allows you to change your preferences and to see whether you are logged in or out of your ability to receive calls. The menu on the left allows you to work with various features of your ConnectUC device. On your ConnectUC, you may not see all of these options if they are not enabled for your specific account. Please check with the support team to ask about options that may be enabled for you. The next pane over shows your activity report for the option that you've chosen, as well as your main information pane, which will show you additional details. In this video, we're only showing the PC soft phone. However, the mobile phone mirrors this application exactly, so you'll have all of the same options in all of the same places. Let's take a look at the profile on the left. On the top, you'll see your extension number followed by your ability to update your status internally. This allows you to let your team know what your current status is at the moment. Next are your control options and how you will receive calls. The first option, Do Not Disturb, disables all of your endpoint devices. This includes your PC soft phone, your mobile ConnectUC, and any desktop IP phone that you may have as well. If you click this button, you will not receive calls on any of your devices. The next option down is Disable Calls. This disables the calls for this device only and still allows your other devices to ring. The next option is Disable Notifications. This will disable notifications such as text messages and voicemails on this device only. If you have the call center agent function, this allows you to log in or out of call queues to let the system know that you are available for calls. A convenient option for both IP phones and mobile phones is Companion Mode. Here you can see that my Yealink phone is listed, although it's red because it's not currently registered. When it is active and registered, it will show a green state, as you see with the Mobile UC application here. When Companion Mode is clicked on, you can use all the features of the ConnectUC desktop app while using the actual audio and calling from your desktop or mobile phone. This means that you can make calls from the dial pad on your monitor and use your Yealink desk phone to complete the call. We'll talk more about Companion Mode in another video. Below this are the preferences that you can choose for your ConnectUC application as well as your PBX user. If you are an administrator, you can log into the PBX portal here or the user portal at the same link. If you need to create a ticket, you can easily do so by clicking this link, which will take you to our knowledge base, or you can submit a ticket online. To the right of your profile, you'll see an option for New. This allows you to make a new call, chat, text message, fax, or add a new contact. By clicking on the New call, you'll be able to use the dial pad to dial the phone number, or you can simply copy and paste the phone number in your context window above the dial pad. On the right, you'll see a list of all of your internal users, or you can switch to shared contacts as well, which we'll discuss a little later. By typing in the name of a contact, you'll be able to call that user directly right from your soft phone application. Below this is the Calls option. Here you can see recent calls, missed calls, and dialed calls. If a call has been missed for your user but was answered by someone else within your group, you'll see a red notification at the bottom followed by who it was answered by. When you click on the call, you'll see more details related to that call. From here, you can also generate transcription or summary if you have added these items to your account. Below the Calls option is the Voicemail option. This allows you to visually see all of your voicemails, as well as easily check the voicemails by clicking on one. Again, if you have voicemail transcription, you'll be able to see the transcribed voicemail below, as well as download that voicemail to save on your computer. It's also easy to share voicemails with other users. Here, you can click on the Share button and choose a contact to share with. You can also send comments to them in the context window below. By adding comments to a voicemail and then sending them to a user, other users within your organization will have a better idea of what they need to do with this customer's message. Below the Voicemail option is the Call Park option. Call Park is different than Call Hold. When putting a customer on hold, you are putting the call on hold for your extension only. No other users are able to answer that call. But by putting a call into Park, it is now on a universal hold for everyone in your organization or department. This allows calls to wait until another user can pick them up from a different device. Call parking will also be handled in more detail in a different video. The Attendant feature allows you to see active calls that are on your PBX at any given time. Below that is the Chat function. This allows you to have internal chats with people within your organization. Instead of using text messaging via individual mobile phones, this allows you to keep all of your work conversations in one place. You can see here that you can add emojis, send audio messages, or even attach files to send to other users. Below the Chat function is the SMS feature. From here, you can see all of the text messages sent to external users from your business number. If you have multiple business numbers, when composing a text message, you can select the number that you'd like the call to originate from. You can also select a contact that you would like to send a text message to. Below the SMS feature is the Contacts feature. This allows you to see all of the users within your organization under the Company Contacts profile. However, you can also create shared contacts within your organization. By creating shared contacts, you can easily upload the phone numbers for all of your customers, suppliers, vendors, or other shared contacts that you would like everyone in the company to have access to. Below Contacts is your Meeting option. Here you can see past meetings and scheduled meetings. To create a new video meeting, simply click on the New Meeting icon. Video meetings can be set for internal users as well as external users. No application is needed for an external user to join your meeting. This can be done through a browser or a mobile or desktop device. Below the Meeting option is the Fax option. Here you can see an inbox of all of the faxes that you have received, as well as all the faxes that you have sent. To send a new fax, simply click on the Send Fax button and choose a cover page. You can compose a cover page here, or you can upload a file or a template that you've created. You can drag or drop your file into the context window or choose that file by browsing. To send a fax, simply type the destination phone number in the context window or choose from one of your pre-stored contacts, then click Send. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a dial pad, which is another way to get into the same new call window that we discussed earlier. We hope you've enjoyed our demonstration of the ConnectUC application. Please reach out to our support department if you have any further questions or if you'd like further remote training. Thank you for being part of the One Stop Telecom family and for trusting us to keep your phone and internet easy.